All right, guys, so I'm already in this trade here on gold. I'm in only 10 lots. People might think 10 lots is a lot, but it's really not. Normally I take like 50 lots, but I've been just trading smaller size, and I'm going to look to add to my position here. This is going against me a little bit, but I'm fine with that. This has been basically selling off. It is Friday. I want to see this one keep dumping here. And I really like the area of 46.56. I want to see this one basically crack the lows that it's basically been holding and testing multiple times. So I want to see a nice little flush to the downside. I will add to my position here. We basically have 30 seconds until the market opens. So I'm going to put another order out here. I'm going to just do 5 lots. I want to see that get filled and then flush down real nice here. So let's see what we get today. It is Friday. I'm not going to be greedy. Take my profit, run off into the weekend. So here we go. I got my pending order out there. We are filled with that order. We're up $3,000. It's hitting our take profit 1. Market is officially open. I want to see it flush. I'm not going to let it go past me. I'll basically close out. If she squeezes too hard, I don't want to end the day red. I want to take some sort of profit here. So, just give us some little wiggle room. I'm down a little bit, but that's all right. We're already up on the week. So look at this nasty wick. Nasty wick. And we're just being patient with it. Let her do its thing. Here she comes down. Take profit 1. Bleeding out now. Now there we go. Take profit 2. There's that. See that? There's that flush we wanted below. Take profit 2. Crack that support level. And we are still in 15 lots. We're floating $8,000. I want to see this one keep dropping here. I'm gonna start to pay myself off a little bit, take some profit here. She is bleeding out a little bit more here, so we're gonna do a partial close here. We'll do a partial close. You guys can see she's dropping nice here. We want to see that take profit 3 snap and flush is what we want to see her do here. So we're up $12,000. Gonna close out, do a partial trade here, partial close out. Let's get rid of 5 lots here. And then, wow, what a clean drop. Beautiful trade here, guys. Beautiful trade. Still flushing hard here. There's our take profit 1, 2, and 3 hit, and I will adjust my stop loss here. So stop loss profit is done, and let it do its thing now at this point. So what I did here was I adjusted my stop loss to stop loss profit. So no matter what, it's a win-win for me. That's what you always got to do. And if she goes up, if she hits me, then that's fine. Okay, so here she's really gonna stop me out there. All right, I'm stopped out. So that was a clean trade. Look, oh look, she pushed all the way back up to our entry. So I mean, in hindsight 2020, we could get in again, but I'm up $14,000 in the day. Live account, you guys can see the top left corner. Live account up 14,000 on the day. I could have easily jumped back in this one, but that's it. I'm done. Boom.